Hello everyone, today we are going to look at how to create encrypted volume containers using VeraCrypt. First of all, I'll go to my Google and search VeraCrypt. Then I'll go to the downloads, or it will take you to the home page. Then you can select on the downloads. Then you can see it's cross-platform. It supports Windows, Mac, and Linux. So I'm going to select the Windows exe installer. You can also select the MSI installer. VeraCrypt is a free and open source utility that is used for encryption. So this software can create a virtual encryption disk that works just like a regular disk, but within a file. So in today's video, we want to look at that particular virtual encrypted disk that we created inside a file. It's very interesting to hide your files inside another file. Okay, so that's what we are going to look at today. So right now it has finished downloading, so I'm going to install it. So I'll go to the location where it has downloaded, then I'm going to double click on the setup. So I'm going to say next, then I will accept the terms, then next, and it's going to install. Then this pop-up will appear here telling you that if you've never used VeraCrypt before, we recommend that you read the chapter beginner's guide and all that and tutorial. So I'm going to say no. Then you can see now our VeraCrypt application has been installed. I'm going to click on it. Then we have this interface here. So to create those encrypted volumes or those encrypted files, you first need to create a file. So I'm going to go to my desktop, then I'm going to right click, then I'm going to say new, then text document. So I'm going to call this storage.txt. So if a normal person accesses my computer, he or she is going to see that this is just a text file. So if I check the property, right now it's just a simple text file. You can see it has 0 bytes. But after we create that encrypted volume, you're going to see that it's going to have more space than that. So I'll go to up here where we have volumes. Then I'm going to say create new volume. I'll hide that so that we can remain with this setup. Then VeraCrypt volume creation wizard. So you can see you can create an encrypted file container. That's what we are doing right now. Then we have encrypt non-system drives, for example, flash drives. Then you can encrypt an entire system partition or an entire drive. Okay, maybe we can check on that later. So I'll go to create an encrypted file container. So I'll say yes, next. Then we have a standard VeraCrypt volume. Then we have a hidden VeraCrypt volume. So for this video, we are going to focus on the standard VeraCrypt volume. Let me know if you'd like me to also create hidden VeraCrypt volume. So I'm going to say next. Then I have to select the file. So I'm going to say select file, location. Then I'll go to my desktop, then storage.txt. Then it will tell me, do you want to replace it? I'm going to say yes. Then next, then you can pick the type of encryption algorithm that you want. I'll just go with the default. You can see the hash algorithm that is being used, it's SHA-512. Then I'm going to say next. Then you can pick the size from kilobyte, megabytes, gigabytes, and terabytes. So for me, I want it to be maybe 50 megabytes. Okay, you can say 50 megabytes. Then next. Then it's going to ask for a password. So after typing my very secure password, I'm going to say next. Then it will tell me your password is short and all that. Okay, it requires a 20 characters password, but we are not doing that. So I'll just say yes. Then there is this screen that appears whereby randomness collected from mouse movement. I think this is supposed to improve the security or something like that. Then you can see up here, you can choose the file system. So I'll just go with the default, but you can pick any file system that you want. Then you can pick the type of format that you'd like. So I'll just stick with the default. Then maybe I can move my mouse randomly to fill that progress bar below. You can see it's now full, so I'm going to select format. It's not a must you fill the progress bar, but for the fun of it, I'm just going to fill it. Then I'm going to say format. Then it will give me a warning that it will delete everything in that file. Because it's an empty file, you can just say yes. Then it will format that particular file. Okay, so we have a congratulations message here. The VeraCrypt volume has been created successful. So I'm going to say okay. Then I'm going to say exit. So if we come back to our file and I check the properties, you can see it's 50 megabytes. To mount it, first of all, you need to select a drive letter. So I'm going to use letter I. Then I'm going to come down here and say select file. Then I'll go to the location of my file, which is my desktop. Then I'm going to say storage.txt, then open. Then I'm going to say mount. Then it will require me to type my password. So my very secure password. Then I'm going to say okay. Then it's going to mount. And you can see down here, we have a disk in, right here we have our disk mounted here. So it's a file, but now it has mounted as a storage device. So let's hide some content inside there. So right here I have some PDF that I had downloaded. So I'm going to hide them in that particular file. So I'm going to copy them. Then I'll go to my storage. Then maybe I can create a new folder, and then now my PDF have been copied to that particular storage, successful. And if we go back, you can see I used almost the entire space, so maybe I could have created a larger drive. Yeah, but that's it for this video. We were to look at how to create encrypted file volumes using VeraCrypt. So after you're done, you can just unmount your file storage. And if you go back, we don't have it in our file explorer, but we still have it in our desktop as our application. Yeah, so that is it for today. If you'd like me to create the hidden volume part, you can share your suggestion on the comment section and I'll be able to do that. Thank you.